If you've been battling dry, listless skin, I've got a treat for you today. In this video, we are diving into the world of hydrating serums. We're going to talk about how you can up your hydration game by using the 5 best hydrating serums on the market. First up, we have the COSRX Snail Mucan Hydrating Serum. You'll love how this Snail Mucan serum transforms your skin to this glass-like, dewy finish. And guys, it's got this smooth glide-on feel, and it's lightweight. Oh, and did I mention no snails are harmed in the making of this product too? You might find the slimy texture unusual, but don't sweat it. It's totally worth it when you see the glow it brings. The serum is effective against stubborn dry patches and works well with sensitive skin. There is also the fact that you only need a little to go a long way. Plus, there's no scent, so it's all hydration without any irritants. Seriously, the COSRX Snail Mucan Serum is a keeper. Okay, next up is the Roche Posay Hydrating Serum. Expected to make your skin feel pampered, hydrated, and glowy. It helps soften your skin and freshens it up like nothing else. But just a heads up, it does have a light fragrance. So if you're all about fragrance-free products, you might feel a bit iffy about it. But trust me, it adds another layer of freshness to your skincare routine. Next, there's the Neutrogena Hydroboost Serum. If you're prone to acne or have sensitive skin, this one is your golden ticket. It's lightweight, won't clog your pores, and the effects last, keeping your skin soft and smooth. The serum trades off scents for all-around hydration. So if you're not into fragrances, you might need to step back. But the healthy, glowing skin at the end, yeah, you'll want that. At number 4 is the Asterwood Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum for face. And to round up our list of the best serums in the market is Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Triple Oat Hydrating Face Serum for sensitive skin. To sum it up, guys, all 5 of these serums bring a hydration party to your skin. So if your skin needs that moisture boost, you know exactly which serums to go for. Until next time, see you in the next video.